Ever noticed how every office sparkles in the morning? That's not magic, it's the work of commercial cleaners, the invisible force behind every thriving business. These professionals are the unsung heroes, ensuring workplaces are healthy, productive, and always make a great first impression. Most people see cleaning as a chore. I see a goldmine. Every business, big or small, needs cleaning. It's not optional, it's essential. This industry isn't a passing trend, it's evergreen with constant, predictable demand. The opportunity? Massive. The business? Simple and scalable. You're not inventing something new, you're providing a service every company needs. Start small, grow fast. One client becomes 2, then 4, and suddenly you're not just cleaning, you're building wealth. Shift your mindset. Cleaning isn't just labor, it's a value-creating system. When you clean, you're giving business owners peace of mind, boosting employee morale, and protecting their brand. That's worth real money. Consistently. The most successful service entrepreneurs know this. Turn a common need into an uncommon opportunity with professionalism and reliability. The barrier to entry is low, but the ceiling for growth is sky high. You can start with just yourself and a few supplies. This is a real path to financial freedom, built on hard work and smart systems. Ready to see the dollar signs on every dusty desk? Let's talk stability. In business, I look for people, process, and product, and commercial cleaning nails all three. Its biggest strength? Resilience. When times get tough, businesses cut extras, but not cleaning. A dirty workplace drives away customers and employees. Cleaning is the last thing to go. That means reliable, recurring revenue for you, built on contracts, not one-off sales. Predictable cash flow lets you plan, invest, and pay yourself consistently. The market is huge. Every office, school, gym, and store is a potential client. Specialize in medical offices or serve a mix. Diversity protects your business. If one sector slows, others keep you afloat. Build trust, and clients stick with you for years. Switching is a hassle they want to avoid. Show up, do great work, communicate well, and you'll keep clients for the long haul. This loyalty is your edge, locking in revenue and fueling growth. Your reputation for reliability becomes your best marketing tool. That's how you build a business that lasts, no matter what the economy does. Commercial cleaning isn't just recession-resistant, it's recession-proof. Starting a cleaning business doesn't require a fortune, just smart choices. Invest in a quality commercial backpack vacuum. It's your workhorse for speed and efficiency. Stock up on microfiber cloths in different colors to prevent cross-contamination. Clients notice this level of professionalism. Get a mop and bucket with a wringer, squeegees for windows, a caddy, and basic cleaning chemicals. Skip the big box stores. Buy from Janitorial supply shops for pro-grade, cost-effective gear. Staff there can guide you to the best products for your needs and budget. Buy concentrated solutions and dilute them yourself. It saves money. As you grow, rent specialized equipment like carpet extractors before buying. Only invest in big-ticket items when demand justifies it. Renting keeps your startup costs low and your cash flow healthy. Be lean and strategic. Put your money where it matters most. The right tools make you faster, more professional, and more profitable. Don't overcomplicate it. Start with the essentials, then scale up as you win more business. Smart shopping is the first step to smart profits. Build your arsenal wisely, and you'll be ready for any job. You've got your supplies and your business name, but no clients. Here's how to change that. Start with your network, friends, family, colleagues, even your dentist. Ask for introductions, not handouts. Say, I've launched a professional cleaning company. Know any business owners looking for reliable service? Your first client will likely come from this circle. Over-deliver for them, make their space shine. That first happy client is your testimonial and your referral source. Ask for a review and permission to use them as a reference. Next, target small to medium offices, lawyers, accountants, realtors. They value professionalism and pay on time. Find them online or by driving through business parks. Walk in, dress professionally, and ask who manages cleaning services. Get a name and email. Follow up with a concise, confident email. Mention your happy client and offer a free quote. Be persistent, not pushy. Say, we specialize in making offices like yours look their best. Can I walk through your space and show you how we can help? Your professionalism and confidence will open doors. Each new client is a stepping stone. Deliver excellence and referrals will follow. Don't wait for clients to find you. Go out and get them. The first client is the hardest. After that, momentum builds. Your reputation grows with every job well done. This is how you go from unknown to in demand. Hustle, deliver, repeat. Pricing is where most new owners stumble. Don't undercharge just to get the job. You're here to build wealth, not work for pennies. Start by knowing your costs. Supplies, insurance, travel, taxes, and most importantly, your time. Pay yourself a real wage. If your time is worth $30/hour, use that as your baseline. Always do a walkthrough to estimate cleaning time and complexity. Calculate your total cost per job, then add a healthy profit margin. Aim for 40% to start. For example, if your cost is $108, your price should be around $150 per cleaning. 3 cleanings a week? That's $1,950 a month from one client. Check local competitors' prices to make sure you're in the right range, but don't be the cheapest. Low price often means low quality in clients' eyes. Position yourself as the premium, reliable choice at a fair price. When quoting, break down your services, show the client exactly what they're getting. This justifies your price and builds trust. Consistent, profitable pricing is the foundation of a sustainable business. Don't race to the bottom, race to the top in value and service. The right clients will pay for quality and peace of mind. Price for profit, and you'll build real wealth, not just a job. That's how you turn cleaning into a lucrative business. Meet David. Stuck in a dead-end job, he started Clean Sweep Solutions with just $500. He bought a backpack vacuum, microfiber cloths, and cleaner. No fancy van, just his old sedan and a corner of his apartment. His first client? His sister's accounting firm. He cleaned it for free, blew them away, and landed a $600/month contract. David used that win to get his next client. Just by walking into a neighboring law office and saying, "I clean next door, can I give you a quote?" He reinvested profits into a logo, polos, and a simple website with testimonials. By focusing on a small area, he minimized costs and became a familiar face. Within a year, he had 10 regular clients and hired his first employee. 5 years later, David runs a $1 million business with a team of 12 and over 80 clients. He doesn't clean anymore. He leads, strategizes, and grows his company. David's story proves, start small, deliver quality, and scale smart. That's the blueprint. Protecting your business is non-negotiable. Don't operate as a sole proprietor. Form an LLC to shield your personal assets. Get general liability insurance to cover accidents, and a janitorial bond to reassure clients and win bigger contracts. Open a dedicated business bank account. Never mix personal and business funds. This keeps your books clean and your legal protection strong. Hire a good accountant from day one. They'll help you track expenses, maximize deductions, and stay on top of taxes. Don't try to be an expert in everything. Focus on your business and let pros handle the rest. Legal and financial discipline is the backbone of a real business. Set it up right, and you'll avoid costly mistakes down the road. Once you have 5 to 10 steady clients, you face a choice. Stay solo or scale up. Scaling means hiring. Look for attitude and reliability, then train for skill. Your team represents your brand, so choose wisely. With employees, you can take on bigger, more lucrative contracts. Think office buildings, schools, medical facilities. Standardize your process with cleaning checklists and quality control. Consistency is key. Use scheduling and accounting software to streamline operations and free up your time. Focus on sales, marketing, and client relationships, the high-value work. Promote a supervisor to handle daily operations as you grow. The goal: build a business that runs without you. Strong systems and leadership turn your company into a true asset. That's how you go from operator to owner. Scale smart, and your cleaning business becomes an empire. The mop and bucket are just the beginning. We've covered the opportunity, the blueprint, and the path to scale. Now, it's time to act. The gap between dreaming and doing is crossed one step at a time. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it'll never come. Pick one small practical task today. Brainstorm business names, research LLC costs, or list potential clients. Take that step before you go to bed tonight. Tomorrow, take the next one. Momentum builds with action, not intention. You have the plan and the drive. The opportunity is real. Only you can build your empire. Start now and watch your business and your future transform. So, what's your first step?